Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the age-old debate, WordPress versus coding, which is the best way to build a website. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or a developer, understanding the pros and cons of both WordPress and custom coding can help you decide which route is right for you. Today we're going to break down everything you need to know about building websites with WordPress versus coding them from scratch. We'll go over ease of use, flexibility, cost, security, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea of which one suits your needs best. So, let's get started. Let's start with WordPress. WordPress is the world's most popular content management system, powering over 40% of all websites on the internet. It's a user-friendly platform that allows you to create websites without needing to write any code. With WordPress, you can choose from thousands of pre-designed themes, plugins, and templates to quickly build a professional-looking site. It's especially great for beginners, small businesses, and bloggers who want to get online fast without spending a fortune on development. WordPress themes give you the foundation for your website's design, while plugins extend its functionality with features like contact forms, SEO tools, and e-commerce solutions. On the other hand, coding refers to building a website from the ground up using programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. When you code a website, you have complete control over every aspect of its design, functionality, and performance. This level of control allows developers to create highly customized websites that are tailored to specific needs, from unique designs to complex web applications. However, coding requires a much higher level of technical knowledge compared to WordPress. If you're not familiar with web development, you may need to hire a developer or spend time learning the necessary skills. Now let's compare WordPress and coding in terms of ease of use. WordPress is designed for non-developers, so the learning curve is relatively low. You can install themes, customize layouts, and add functionality with plugins, all through an intuitive dashboard. Tools like Elementor or WP Bakery make designing a WordPress site even easier, as they use drag-and-drop editors that allow you to build pages visually without any coding. On the other hand, coding requires a strong understanding of multiple programming languages. You'll need to be comfortable writing HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. If you're a complete beginner, this can be challenging. When it comes to customization and flexibility, coding has the upper hand. With coding, you have full control over every element of your website. You can build a completely unique design and add custom features that are impossible with pre-built themes or plugins. If you have a specific vision for your website or need advanced functionality, coding lets you make that happen. It's ideal for developers or businesses with complex requirements. WordPress is flexible to an extent, but you're somewhat limited by the capabilities of the theme and plugins you choose. That said, there are thousands of themes and plugins available, which means you can still achieve a highly customized look without starting from scratch. WordPress can also be extended with custom code, so if you're tech-savvy, you can tweak certain parts of your site using CSS, PHP, or JavaScript. Next, let's talk about cost. WordPress is often a more budget-friendly option. You can get started with WordPress for free, and many themes and plugins are either free or relatively inexpensive. If you're using a basic setup, you'll likely only need to pay for hosting and possibly a premium theme or plugin if you want extra features. Coding, on the other hand, is typically more expensive. If you don't have the skills to build the site yourself, you'll need to hire a developer, which can cost anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars, depending on the complexity of your website. Security is another important factor to consider. WordPress sites can be vulnerable to security threats due to the use of third-party themes and plugins. You'll need to keep everything updated and use security plugins like WordFence to protect your site. Thankfully, WordPress offers a range of security tools, but the responsibility is on you to keep your site safe. With custom-coded websites, security can be stronger because you control the codebase. There are no third-party plugins that could introduce vulnerabilities, but this also means you'll need to be responsible for implementing your own security measures. SEO and performance are crucial for any website success. WordPress comes with several SEO plugins, like Yoast or All-in-One SEO, that make optimizing your site for search engines straightforward. You can easily manage metadata, XML sitemaps, and keyword optimization through these plugins without needing to code anything. When coding, you have full control over your website's performance and SEO. You can ensure that your site is lightweight, loads fast, and is optimized for search engines directly through the code, offering better speed and optimization if done correctly. So, which one is the best, WordPress or coding? The answer really depends on your needs. WordPress is perfect if you're looking for a fast, affordable, and easy way to build a website without any coding skills. It's highly flexible and scalable for most users. Coding is the way to go if you need full control over your website's design and functionality, or if you require a highly customized and unique experience for your users. For most people and small businesses, WordPress offers everything you need. But if you're a developer or need something very specific, coding gives you the freedom to create exactly what you envision. I hope this video helped clarify the pros and cons of WordPress versus coding. Let me know in the comments which one you think is better for your next project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.